Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendel RV. Today I want to take you around this 2022 Wildcat made by Forest River. Model number is the 333 RLBS. It is a triple slide with the rear living setup. So we'll spin around here. Up front you have the LED lights on that front cap, 2 electric awnings, 2 LED light strips. It's got TV mounting location right here, and some outside speakers. It's going to have your auto leveling. Inside here you're going to find a mini fridge, little cooktop there, which mounts to the back of the camper. So there's a look at your kitchen, your big island, your big rear living area. These recliners here are made by Thomas Payne. They're going to be the slow rising but electric recliners. And they will recline all the way out. Little massage button there. So right across from the recliners, you're going to find your fireplace. This one will come with a big screen TV, which is it's just removed. Behind here, more storage. And this right here will fold out to that's a tri-fold sofa, which will sleep 2 adults. So this trailer will have 2 pantries. One's over there. There's another one right here. Lots of storage. And these are all the self-closing drawers. And then more storage over here. Your big sink, spray faucet. Table's got an extra leaf on it. It's got all the blackout roller shades. Check out this other pantry here. More storage. So you come up these stairs here, it'll take you into the bedroom, which would be a king-size bed. It'll raise up, it's on struts. Your walk-in closet. It does have washer and dryer prep. Your dresser drawers, your TV location. Also, this unit will come with 2 AC units. And here's the bathroom. Your glass shower, little linen closet, towel hooks. Mirror, sink, a little storage down here too. So yeah, that's a quick at this Wildcat. This is a new layout this year for them. If you're interested, you can check it out on our website, rendelrv.com. Or you can call us at 903-326-4080. Thanks for watching.